Hello everyone and welcome back once again. Today I'm going to share a quick short review of one of the most simplest yet one of the best books on sales and network marketing that I've read so far, which also happens to be our 40th book of the 52 Weeks 52 Books Challenge. And the name of the book is Questions Are the Answers by Alan Pease. बहुत ही अमेजिंग सी किताब है which teaches us how to use a very specific set of questions that help you get a yes from your customers, questions that help you close a sale, or in case if you're in network marketing, these are questions that help you get anyone to join your team. The book is essentially divided into 5 parts. Section 1, in case you're into sales or network marketing, will help you understand the law of average and how it can help you achieve all your sales targets and master your game. The next section, that is section 2, which also happens to be my favorite section, speaks about 4 simple yet extremely practical and implementable steps to get anyone say a yes to you. It is this section where you learn 5 golden questions that help you create a deep sense of urgency or say a strong FOMO among your customers and prospects to say a yes or buy your product. Moving on, section 3 outlines 6 strategic skills for powerful presenting. Now, apart from these 6 amazing skills, 2 things that I loved the most in this section were number 1, how to use a list of certain specific magic words. Words जिनका इस्तेमाल आप खास तौर पे उन लोगों के साथ कर सकते हैं जो लोग ज्यादा बात नहीं करते. These words will help you get all such people to talk. The second most important thing that you need to know about this section, especially if you're a man, is the fact that it teaches you how to capture a woman's attention in a way that she finds you to be extremely intelligent, interesting, and most importantly, attractive. Now, as we move on, section 4 and 5 dig deep into the science of body language and teach you 2 very important things. Number 1, how to make an excellent first impression, things to do and things to avoid. Number 2, how to understand and decipher what's going on in anyone's mind basis their body language. This is no doubt a gem of a book. So, reiterating once again that if you are into sales or network marketing, make sure to read this book without fail. The link to buy the book has been pasted in the description given below.